Hello guys, Jason here again, showing you another beautiful truck in this beautiful weather. Today I'm gonna take the time and show you the new redesigned 2022 GMC Denali. This is gonna be the 1500 6.2. Let's start with the front here. The front grille did change a little bit. It actually looks a little bit wider. Your front headlights and your fog lights also changed the positioning. Look at this masterpiece. Nothing really has changed on this truck much besides the front grille and also the inside, the infotainment system, which I'm going to show you here in a minute. Now this bed still looks the same as the previous generation. Still has the same positioning on the dual exhaust, the sensors, the multi-flex tailgate. This is going to be the 6.2, so it is going to be pushing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. So you're going to get that extra power. Now guys, if you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button and also like and comment down below. This will help me grow my content and also keep you posted whenever I do post videos. Without further ado, let's take a look at this truck. I'm going to show you inside and out. It's going to be a quiet video, so I'm just going to show you the new accessories, new features on this vehicle. Enjoy. So this steering column is a little bit different. You do have your paddle shifters here. Now everything else looks pretty much the same as the previous generation. This infotainment system is a little bit different, and the functionality is going to be a bit sophisticated. Take me to Martin Chevrolet.
All right, Martin Chevrolet Buick GMC. Let's go.
En route.
Martin Chevrolet Buick GMC may close within 1 hour of when you arrive.